Thanks to Be10x, I successfully secured an admin role in a hospital. So Be10x provided me with the knowledge and hands-on experience in AI, which helped me prepare for my interviews, prepare for my knowledge upgradation, and even my job application, my resume, and everything. I highly recommend Be10x to anyone looking for a future-proof career with AI.
Hi everyone, welcome back once again. We have Mr. Monish with us, and he's here to share his incredible experience of the course. And I would like Mr. Monish to go on now.
So originally, I've been in business since the beginning. So I had a small bakery unit uh, which I used to run, and I just wanted to transition from a business to the corporate world. So I took the course, and it helped me a lot in my career transition. Actually, coming from a background in business development, I wanted to break in a healthcare industry, specifically hospital administration.
Okay.
So B10x provided me with the knowledge and hands-on experience in AI, which helped me prepare for my interviews, prepare for my knowledge upgradation, and even my job application, my resume, and everything. The practical learning approach, the expert mentorship, and the real-world application gave me confidence in leveraging AI. Thanks to Be10x, I successfully secured an admin role in a hospital where
wow.
I now apply AI-driven insights to improve the operation and patient care. I highly recommend Be10x to anyone looking for a future-proof career with AI.
That is so inspiring, to be honest. And we just want to know where you from, and where did you run that small bakery of yours? Do you still run it?
Actually, I am from Pune, Maharashtra.
Okay.
And yes, the bakery is still functioning, but I have handed it over to my partner, basically.
Okay.
There
Perfect.
were changes in the business structure and the business environment in the bakery industry specifically.
Okay. Perfect.
That's it.
Right. So you're from Pune. Okay, fantastic. So I just want to know, going back to the basics, that where did you learn about the course? Like, how did you get to know of it?
Through Instagram and internet. That's what
Okay, yeah. So through the advertisements, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what made you buy the mastery program?
When I started the basic course that you provided, so in that course, when you were talking about the details of how the course is going to be held, so that actually inspired me a lot because it was very systematically structured, and it helps in a lot of stuff that we do on a regular basis. I just wanted to get a hands-on, since I wanted to enter a corporate world. So I wanted to get a hands-on how the things work in the corporate world. And thanks to you and AI tools, it helped me a lot to get those insights.
Perfect. So just to summarize, for our listeners, for our viewers, so you just took the mastery program, and can you just again specify what has been the outcome for that and what are your results?
So the outcome is, as I told you, that I've already secured an admin role in a hospital. I do not have any prior experience or knowledge of the hospital industry, but thanks to AI and thanks to Be10x, I used all the different kinds of AI tools that were taught in the program and use it to gain the insights in the hospital industry, gain the knowledge that was required to become an admin of an hospital.
That's perfect. Okay, so just before we end, we always believe in constructive feedback. So any feedback that you've got for us?
As far as feedback is concerned, you are doing a great job. Thank you for your wonderful givings.
Okay. Thank you so much, Monish sir. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for letting our, viewers have a peek into what your results have been. Take care, and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.